Here's a quick and easy lunch option the whole family is going to love. Most of us don't eat nearly enough oily fish, but this quick and easy quiche recipe is perfect. You've got dairy goodness, including B vitamins and calcium, vitamin C from the broccoli, and of course the omega-3s from the salmon. It's a really balanced, healthy lunchtime treat. All this tastiness for less than 600 calories per serving. Add a side salad and you can tick off one of your 5 a day as well.